Hi, I'm Carly, and this is the Feliciano School of Business, and
We are the greatest business school on the planet.
No, but we're a great school. A school where you can earn a degree in finance, accounting, marketing, business analytics, economics, entrepreneurship, and—
Or literally any business field in the known universe.
Sorry, no, that's not accurate. Just a lot of good majors. Real majors.
Excuse me for reaching for the stars.
Can we get back to this?
Of course, I'm here to support.
You'll learn real-world skills, gain internship experience, work with industry-leading companies,
And then you'll become so powerful you'll single-handedly run the global economy.
No. You'll just be prepared for a real job. A good one, with a salary, a real salary.
I got nothing.
If you love solving real business challenges, innovating, networking,
And maybe eventually owning 47 companies and building a business empire that crushes your
we
enemies.
don't do crushing enemies. We do career readiness and leadership, and sometimes pizza.
I do like pizza.
So if you want a competitive degree, support from faculty who care, and career opportunities that actually matter, come to the Feliciano School of Business. Seriously ambitious, with a ton of potential, and zero guaranteed empires. Probably.
Ha! I knew it!